out of each employee. So it's continuing that idea of like an assembly line model, but how do I optimize production per employee, which is basically treating.
You know, that individual who used to work 40 hours a week on some assembly line, and all of a sudden
Is giving them food. I took my place on the assembly line, where, get this, I was in charge of making sure that the Weight Watchers ding-dongs made it.
Sometimes the things that make the headlines during the assembly are not the very issues that need to be addressed the most. So we've compiled 5 key global issues.
I put tape on the latches. After lunch, everyone headed to take attendance before the assembly. It was then that panic set in. The entrance to the auditorium may be...
And they chose the latter. The German National Assembly, which was different from the Landtag in that it represented all German states, decided with...
This will temporarily hold the new gasket in place during assembly. Go ahead and install a new gasket.